My name is William Ho. I'm one of the game designers at United Front Games here in beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia. Welcome to my home. We've been working really hard on ModNation Racers for the last 2 years or so, and we're trying to make the ultimate race create share experience for all of you, but also for all of us. So come on, have a seat. We'll check out the game. So when you first fire up ModNation Racers, you can start racing right away. We've got this cool character named Tag that you can start off right away with. Here he is. He's got a cool ride, and there it is. But you can also change Tag to any one of the other characters created by the amazing artists at UFG. So let's take a look at them right now. Just browse through some of these cool mods. We've got Astro Kitty, we've got Captain Venus here. He's kind of an alien. Some of the elite racers that you're going to meet in the career mode, like Drillbit. So he's tough, badass, miner. Go down a bit more, we've got a really awesome one called Aloha. He's a tropical elite racer. You're going to go up against him on some of the tropical tracks. That's just a few of the racers that come with the game. But when you really have fun is when you start creating your own mod. So we're going to go in here, start a new character. And if you're not inspired yet, you can just hit the triangle button. And this is a randomize feature, which actually takes parts that you've unlocked and creates a new character, just like that, within a few seconds. You can use that as an inspiration. If that's not your thing, just hit the triangle button again. There's yet another cool character. And you can go in, you can edit any of the parts, you can change any of the colors, make your own cool mod within minutes. I'm going to show you the power of the mod studio and go in and create my own character. So I'm going to go new, and then I'm going to clear this character. We've got a blank. It's just like Urban Vinyl Culture, where there's a blank base platform model, and it's what all of the mods in ModNation Racers are made of. And it's amazing what you can do just from this one base character. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to start with some skins. So we're going to paint this mod. And there are tons of different skins you can choose from. I'm a big fan of creating animal creature people and people animal creatures, and so we've put those skins in there. We've also got some crazy ones, some tribal paints, some stripes, and any of these skins you can choose and you can paint the character just like that. I'm going to go down here, maybe pick this leopard skin. I'm going to show you how you can change the colors. So we've got multiple color channels here. You can find exactly the colors you want. I think I'm going to make something like a cow, so I'm going to change these colors here. So now that I've got the base, I can go in and add some facial features. I'm going to go in here, and there's tons and tons of different parts here. So you notice we've got dozens of different eyes that you can choose from, we've got tons of different mouths, we've got lots of different noses. It's almost endless the number of parts you can choose from. So I'm just going to go in and start making my cow. Any of these parts you can go in, you can change the scale of these parts, make these eyes bigger. I can rotate them and get really different expressions. And I can move them around just by moving the left stick around. I'll make these eyes just a bit smaller. I'm going to make them sort of a sad cow. Actually go right over to adding a nose here. Again, I just hit the X button, choose the nose I want. I can position that nose wherever I want. I can scale and rotate this. Make that a bigger nose. Now I can go in and add some ears. These parts are all 3D. I go in, I can choose from a number of different ears, and just like with the 2D parts, I can actually go in, I can change the color. So I make these whites, I can make them black, I can make them any color I want, but I think I'm going to settle for white for now. And also, just like with the 2D parts, I can go in, I can scale them up and down. We can also add a hairstyle if we want. Like I said, I really like characters that combine the features of animals with features of people. So we'll go in and browse some hairstyles. We'll see what this cow wants to be here. Let's give him a bouffant just because I want to. And add some clothing. No one likes a naked cow driving a cart, so we're going to go in. We've got tons of different clothing styles here. We've got tuxedos, we've got sweaters, we've got just about anything you need to clothe your mods. I'm going to give him maybe a lightning bolt. He's a fast cow. Move on to pants. Cows always envy the overalls that the farmers are wearing, so I'll give him some overalls. Got tons of different helmets, tons of masks. Maybe put some shades on this guy. He's a pretty cool dude. Give him some shades. Just like with the other parts, we can also change the color. We can go in, make him blue, make him black, finish off with some driving gloves, maybe some shoes. We've even got a neat feature here where it keeps track of the colors that I've already used on my character. So if I want the shoes that I've chosen to match the shirt, well, it's got those colors, right? It's got the same shade of black, and I go in, and I can match the same shade that's in the lightning bolts, and boom. We've got a matching ensemble, just like that. Try to make it easy for you. So one other thing I'm gonna add to my character is some stickers. I'm gonna create a happy face button that he can wear on his overalls, because he's a happy guy. So I'm gonna go into the sticker feature here, and we can create some stickers, and we've got tons of different shapes, we've got tons of different logos. I'm gonna choose one of the primitives here, so I can just hit the button and scale this up and down. You know, I can rotate it if I want. So I'm gonna put it right about there. I'm gonna change the color. I want it to be a black button. Now I'm gonna go back up, I'm gonna add a new sticker. And you're gonna notice, once I apply this happy face, just put that in position, scale it to the right size, maybe rotate it a bit. I'm gonna make that just a bit bigger. So you notice there's multiple layers here. Just like in illustration programs on the PC, we can go in, we can even group these layers. So I can make both of these the same shape. If I want to reposition that button, I can just go in, I can resize it, I can rotate it, and I can reposition it. So I want that button to sit right there on him. And boom. That's just a simple example of how you can use layers, different shapes, different logos to create your own buttons, to create your own costumes, your own outfits, and you can copy and paste these all over your mod's uniform if you want. That's pretty cool. Within just a couple minutes, we've got a cow. I'm gonna save this guy, give him any name I want. So I'll go in here, just change the name, and I'm gonna call him King Cow. I can save him to my PS3's hard drive. You just go in, type in the name, and boom, it's saved to my hard drive. I can use this King Cow mod in any race mode. I can, race offline, I can race online with this character, but also, once I've uploaded King Cow to the PlayStation Network, any of you can actually search for King Cow, download him to your own hard drive, and play with him in any race mode, offline, online. You can even go back into Mod Studio and remix my King Cow and do your take on my mod. I'm William Ho from United Front Games. King Cow is my mod. What's yours?
PlayStation